for today is design and analysis of experiment DOE, and this is topic of quality toolkit for manager, and the subject code is KMB OM03. Okay, so for further study about the topic, you may refer following references. Okay, and this is your textbook as well as reference book. These two are reference books, and this is a good block about design of experiment that you may refer. Okay. So what is design and analysis of experiment? So the term experiment is defined as systematic procedure carried out under controlled condition in order to discover an unknown effect, to test or establish a hypothesis, or to illustrate a known effect. Okay, I'm just giving you a example regarding this point. If you have tasted the burger of Domino's, or if you have tasted a pizza of burger of this McD, and pizza of Domino's, and if you go to the other outlet and order the same product, you will get the same taste. So what is that basically? Is an outcome of design and analysis of experiment. Means they are using fully automated process, and each and every time the customer will get the same type of product. So that is basically outcome of this design and analysis of experiment. Okay, means the term experiment is defined as systematic procedure. What is systematic procedure? Means every time you are using the same quality of raw material, same quantity of material, okay, and under a controlled condition, to get the same product every time. Okay, to discover an unknown effect, to test or establish a hypothesis, or illustrate a known effect. Okay, so that is basically design and analysis of experiment. Okay, so when analyzing a process, experiments are often used to evaluate which process inputs have a significant impact on the process output, and what the target level of those inputs should be achieve a desired result, means output. Okay, as I have said that every time and in every outlet you will get the similar product. Okay, you will get the product of having same taste. Okay, so that is basically DOE. So experiment can be designed in many different ways to collect this information. Okay, so design of experiment is also referred to as the designed experiment or experimental design. All the terms have been same meaning. Okay, so DOE is named in two three sub names, like design of experiment. Some people say it design of experiment, some people say it design and analysis of experiment, and some people say it designed experiment or experimental design. So all these terms are same that depicts this DOE, design of experiment. Okay, so all the terms have the same meaning. So experimental design can be used at the point of greater leverage to reduce design cost by speeding up the design process, reducing the late engineering design changes, and reducing the product material and labor complexity. Okay, like nowadays most of the companies are adopting automation. So why they are adopting automation? So that every customer will get similar type of product with having similar characteristics, similar taste or preference, or similar types of tangible as well as intangible features. Okay, so that's why companies are working towards automation, or companies are working towards this experimental design. Okay, if you have gone through CCD, Cafe Coffee Day, and you just order cappuccino, so and in another outlet you will get same taste of cappuccino. So what is that? Basically they are using automated, fully automated processes, okay, to making that product. So basically every time the customer experience would be same. Okay, so that is basically design and analysis of experiment. Okay, under controlled condition, they are performing this experiment under controlled condition multiple times to getting the similar type of product. Okay, So what is this designed experiment are also powerful tools to achieve manufacturing cost saving by minimizing process variations and reducing rework, scrap, and need for inspection. Actually, companies are working towards minimizing the process variation. Reducing rework means rework is what working again and again. Okay, so reducing rework, reducing the scrap is what wastage of material, and need for inspection means you check the product and then deliver to the customer. So all these things will be eliminated by using, if you are using this designed experiment. Okay, so that is basically design of experiment. Next is design of experiment is a branch of applied statistics focused on using the scientific method for planning, conducting, analyzing, and interpreting data from controlled test or experiments. Okay, so DOE is a mathematical methodology used to effectively plan and conduct scientific studies that change input variables together to reveal their effect on a given response or the output variable. Means you will check that what are the dependent variable and what are the independent variable, and what are the means implication of using a certain amount of uh, independent variable to get a dependent variable basically. Okay, so you will define what are the input variable, what are the output variable, and how will you get those output. Okay, so that is basically that you will define in this DOE. Okay, so design and analysis of experiment, if you talk about further. So in addition, if performed and analyzed properly, you should be able to determine which variables have the most and least impact on the output. Okay, sometimes you use some energizer are there, some catalyst are there in some process. Okay, so you will determine that which variable have the most and least impact on the output on producing that product. Okay, or creating that service. Okay, so by knowing this, you can design a product or process that meets or exceeds quality requirement and satisfies the customer needs. So that is basically design and analysis of experiment. Okay, so when to utilize design of experiment? So experimental design or design of experiment can be used during new product. If you are planning to introduce a new product, okay, like you want to open a outlet that will deliver tea. Okay, as winters are going on. Okay, so you are going to design tea company. Okay, tea manufacturing company. So you are going to introduce it, so you will design. Okay, so that is basically means while introducing a new product into the market or introducing a new process into the market. So introduction to new process and product means NPI project, or during a kaizen is what continuous improvement means. That earlier when Maggie was launched in 20 10 to 20 years back. Okay, so that most of the people did not like the taste of Maggie, and after that they have continuously reformed the taste of Maggie, and nowadays each and everyone is liking Maggie. So what is that? Basically kaizen is what? Continuous improvement or process improvement exercises. Okay, so that is basically design of experiment means you are continuously working towards improving your processes, improving your product, or offering new product or offering new process. You will deploy this design of experiment. Okay, so DOE is generally used in two different stages of process improvement projects. Okay, so that is basically of uses of design of experiment. Okay, so what is these means when to utilize the design of experiment? So this is first is during the analyze phase. Okay, analyze is what means you are going to analyze whether my product will work or not, or my process will work or not. Okay, so during the analyze phase of project, DOE can be used to help identify the root cause of a problem. Okay, means what is root cause of a problem? You are going to introduce a new product. So what would be the liking factor? What would be the disliking factor by your customers? Okay, so with DOE, The team can examine the effects of various inputs on the output. Okay, means DOE enables the team to determine which of the axes impact the Y's and which one have the most impact. Okay, so that is basically while you are going to analyze something, analyze your product, analyze your service offerings, or analyze your process, you will deploy this design of experiment. Okay, and another phase is, as I have told earlier, now DOE is generally used in two different stages. Okay, so second is this improve. You want to improve your product. Okay, continuously improve your product. So during the improve phase of project, DOE can be used in the development of a predictive equation, enabling the performance of what if analysis. What if means if you are deploying something, then what would be the resultant of that. Okay, the team can then test different ideas to assist in determining the optimum setting for access to achieve the best Y output. So these are the two conditions by which you will use this design of experiment. Okay, now how to implement this experiment design. So these are some components of experiment design. Okay, so here I am giving you example, like you want to get a cake. Okay, a good cake in terms of taste, in terms of color, and in terms of consistency. Means your outcome would be this cake. Okay, means example of characteristic that you are looking for, that taste should be better, color should be better, and consistency would be there. So that is basically outcome. Okay, and what would be the characteristic that you will define. Okay, so for this you will identify the factors. Factors are what means variables, means what are the independent variable on which the cake is dependent. Okay, so you should have a good oven. Okay, to means heat or preheat or heat it. Okay, and you should have sugar, you should have flour, you should have eggs. So these all are the independent variable or factors that you need, or inputs that you need. Okay, now next is this level. What is level means what would be the settings, means what should be the temperature of this oven, like generally 200 plus temperature is required for baking cake. So that is basically what type of what should be the temperature characteristic, what would be the quantity of sugar, what would be the quantity of flour, what would be the quantity of eggs. So all this lies under the component that is levels, means setting. What would be the setting? So these are three components that you should define while doing the experimental design or design of experiments. Okay, so first is what the factors are input to the process, means factors can be classified as either controllable or uncontrollable variables. Okay, like example of a baking cake, the controllable factors are ingredient for the cake and oven that the cake is baked in, and the controllable variable will be referred to throughout the material as factors. Okay, so these are factors, as I have told earlier, that these are the variables or inputs that you need to bake that cake. Okay, next is this levels or setting of each factor in the study. So examples include the oven temperature settings and the particular amount of sugar, flour, eggs chosen for the evaluation. Means what would be the oven temperature setting and what would be the amount of sugar, flour, and eggs to bake the cake. That would be the level. And third one is response, means output of the experiment. So in the case of cake baking, the taste, consistency, and appearance of the cake are measurable outcomes potentially influenced by the factor and their respective levels. Means every time when you are using a certain amount of sugar, flour, and eggs, you will get a different taste, aroma, and color of your cake. Okay, so you will decide that what would be the ideal one. Okay, and after that you will put into consideration that to bake a better cake, you should have this much of inputs you require, this much of level should be there to get a certain desired outcome. Okay, so that is basically component of experimental design.